Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful popcorn blanket. This tutorial for absolute beginners. It's an easy pattern, and for this one I use this yarn, but you could not find this one, so you can use a velvet yarn, any fluff yarn, any category 4 or 5 or any category yarn you choose to use. It will work great with any size or type yarn because it's a simple pattern, just double crochets and popcorns. It's 80 centimeters square. I only made double crochets for the border. If you are a beginner, you can make and gift or use this for your baby. And I use a 5mm hook. Hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free, and I'm so sorry for my voice. I have flu again. If you are ready, we can start now. Now I made this blanket 31 inch 80 centimeters. Let me see, 31 and a half. Yes, 80 centimeters. It's a little bigger than a newborn size. I'm gonna show you how to make it, but not with this yarn. It's really so hard to see this one, so I'm gonna use this yarn, a lighter color wool yarn, and I'm gonna show you with a little sample. For the other one, I started with 91 chains. You will need multiples of 6 plus one more chain. Okay, I use 91, and for this one I'm gonna use 19, I think. Let me see. It's 19. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, insert into the next. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will count these 3 chains as a double crochet, and that's the second double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next, put a double, into the next, put a double, and repeat this till the end. That's the last one. Okay, let me count. I have 17 double crochets right now. For the bigger one, you will have 89 double crochets, one less than multiples of 6. Okay, chain 3, turn. That's my first double crochet. Insert into this next stitch, put a double crochet, and into this next stitch we are gonna put a puff stitch. How to make it? yarn over, insert and make a double. Into the same place, make 4 more double crochets. It's totally 5 double crochets. Now leave the loop. You see, first double, second double. That's the first double I made into this stitch. Insert from this first double crochet stitch. Grab the loop, pull it. Don't make any chains. If you make any chain here, you will have more stitches for the next row. We will count this double crochet stitch as a stitch for the next row. I'm not sure if it makes sense. Yarn over, insert into the next, make a double. Make 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's totally 5 double crochets. Into this 6th stitch, we are gonna put a puff stitch. 5 double crochets into same place. Insert from this first double crochet stitch, pull the yarn. And that's our repeat. Okay, we will repeat this as long as we go. I'm gonna repeat it again. Make 5 double crochets, starting from this next stitch, of course. 2, 3, 4, 5. Into this next stitch, make a popcorn. 3, 5 doubles, insert from this first stitch, pull the yarn. In the end, you will have 2 stitches left, 1 stitch and this 3 chain, third chain. Put 1 and 2 double crochets. Chain 3, turn. That's our double crochet for this stitch. Starting from the next, I'm gonna put a double. And that's the popcorns stitch. I'm gonna put a double here. Then I'm gonna make 5 double crochets in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doubles, popcorn stitch again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 popcorns stitch, and in the end, after this popcorn stitch, you will have 2 more stitches. 1, 2, chain 3, turn. For this row, we are gonna make popcorns again, but we will not start from this 3rd stitch. That's my first double. Insert into the next, make 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doubles in a row. Okay, into this next stitch, make a popcorn. 5 double crochets, all into same stitch. 5. Insert from this first one, pull the yarn, make 5 doubles in a row, popcorn, we will repeat this till the end, and in the end you will have 5 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3, turn, make 4 double crochets. With this one it's 5. And that's the popcorns stitch. And we are at the first row right now. We are gonna make 1 row with double crochets, 1 row with puff stitch. You will make 2 double crochets and a popcorn, 5 double crochets and a popcorn, and keep repeating this. Just repeat this 4 rows as you like, make it as big as you want, and we are gonna make a simple border. For the border you will finish with double crochet row, okay, and that's where I started, that's where I complete. It's same side. Now starting from here, I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3 chains. Into this same place I'm gonna put 1 more double crochet, okay, 1, 2 double crochets. Then into each stitch I'm gonna put 1 double crochet. Repeat this till the corner. I have 2 stitches left, 1 this, and I'm gonna put 1 here, and into this same place I will put 1 more double, okay, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets. That's the corner. 2 doubles, 2 chains, 2 doubles. Now for the side, we didn't have any stitch here, so we are gonna put 2 double crochets around 1 double crochet. You can put 1 around the double, 1 into this stitch, 1 around the double, 1 into the stitch, okay. It will be easy for you to see here. You see, that's the stitch, that's the double. You can put both of them around the double, or you can put one of them inside the post, one of them into this stitch. It looks better with this way. So I'm gonna insert into this post, oops, make a double, and into the stitch make a double, into the post make a double, into the stitch make a double. You will repeat this till the corner, okay. At the corner, on the top of these chains, we have 3 chains here. Into this 3rd chain you are gonna make a corner. You are gonna put 1 double crochet into this post here. Okay, it's not too necessary. You can skip this one too. It's not necessary. We will just make double crochets around it. Okay, into this third chain we are gonna put 2 doubles, 2 chains, 2 doubles. Then we are gonna use these chains, put 1 double crochet into each chain and make the other side with the same way. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end. I put 1 double crochet here, and into this first stitch I'm gonna put 2 more. Chain 2 and join from the third chain. Make a chain, cut this yarn, just hide the tail. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Etsy website, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.